Skin Whitening Facial Bleach to get brighter, tighter, youthful skin. Today we're going to show you how to prepare a DIY facial bleaching cream that will lighten your complexion and make your skin tight and youthful again. The cream contains only natural ingredients which won't harm your skin and will brighten your skin tone in only 2 weeks. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of grated apple, half a teaspoon of honey, half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of curd or yogurt, a pinch of baking soda. Preparation: mix the apple and baking soda in a bowl, then add the other ingredients and mix well again. Now, transfer the cream to a plastic container and store it in the fridge. Wash your face before applying the cream, then leave it to work for 15 minutes before rinsing with cold water. Repeat the process every day for about 15 days in order to make your skin brighter than ever before. After this period, we suggest using the remedy twice a week at most in order to maintain your complexion.